Okay, today I got to change the filter, yeah. So we need to remove the torque screw here, that is 10. Okay. Then we can just take it out. Okay. That's right. Okay. We have some nut plug here, just need to remove it. Okay, so cutting. Get more space here. So one plug here, yes. Just need to okay. Just need to take it out. Okay, so inside you can see the air filter here. Drag it so that we can renewed it here. Great. So now we can take the air filter out. Yeah, be careful with cables. Yeah, it's a little bit squeezy here, but just need to be patient here. Drag it out. Be careful the direction, yeah. So this is the direction you put in. Okay. The same way we just insert. Okay, just need to insert it into the filter place. Okay. So we are doing the right. Yeah. Okay. Just be careful. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's correct. Okay, and now I need to put it back. Okay, put the plug back. Put the sensor back. Okay, where are sensors? Here are sensors, yeah. Okay, sensor 2 back to the hole.